Here we go guys, so I did a Hyundai Kona. A 2-channel dash camera, so as you can see I've got the rear camera just hanging because I'm going to wait for the customer to make the call, because we've got them right there. Hopefully mounted low, hopefully mounted high, so then it gives it the best angle. Have a look at this. Two-channel. And I've installed a battery under the driver's seat. I just moved the chair forward. Nice digital display. So there you go, you got the cell link battery here in the back. All nicely hidden. Car looks sick. Let's get it right in front. You can't really see it. Like, share and subscribe guys. I'm gonna make some content for you guys and hopefully you enjoy what I'm gonna put out for you guys. Let's get it.